next semester?
Oh, it depends on the classes. It really does.
Okay.
This,
Yeah.
this, but it's been a nightmare. I can't even travel and go see my grandkids. I feel like I can't even leave my house. Awful.
You are not a grandma. There is no way.
Oh yeah, got 3 grandkids.
You
All
serious?
right. Yeah. Yes, I'm old. I'm old.
Oh, you are not.
Great. I hope
All
I
right.
you guys do when I'm older.
Okay, are you in, Abby?
Yep, I'm in.
Okay, so then we go down to the next one, and we still
is
have
it?
to.
For 3.
Number 3 is we assume that the standard deviation is unknown, that sigma is unknown.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and so then we go to number 4, and I would say again, sigma is still unknown at this point.
Yeah, why
Right?
did they change all the terminology? After 3 hours last night, it dawned on me that we were doing kind of the same thing.
But they just changed all the symbols and everything.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't get it.
you heard me screaming out there.
All right.
Well, I would say that it's not that sigma that way is not known because
I agree.
Yeah.
Okay, so then the next one we're just finding the t value, the t score.
Okay, so that is x bar minus nu divided by s divided by the square root of n.
Correct.
Right.
So
I just love how you rattle that off.
So we've got x bar, which is 11.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
Okay. Okay, so I got 1.5.
yep, me
What
too.
I got.
Okay.
Do you know how we got that, Susan?
No.
Are you okay? Are you okay with that?
Is that for 5?
Yeah, so you know that.
6.
Okay.
So how'd you do that for all those numbers?
So you take x bar, which is 11, and you subtract nu, which would be 8 from that, and that's over s divided by the square root of n. So s is 6, and n is 9. So basically you're just subtracting 8 from 11, and that's 3, and then you take, on the bottom part, 6, and you divide the square root of 9, which is 3, from that, and then you get 2. So it's basically just a normal fraction of 3 over 2, which is 1.5.
Yeah, I was getting those last night. I was so excited.
Yeah, like, this part makes sense, but once you put me in Excel, I am all kinds of lost.
Well, and I've also learned that you should not ever be in Excel.
Well, like, neither thingy works with me. Like, it's so complicated, and I'm just like, can I just do this on paper, please?
Ooh, yeah,
Well,
that would be gross.
I've been practicing on the SPSS, and so then when they teach it in Excel, I'm confused. So
Yeah.
Why do they keep switching back and forth?
I don't know. That's going to be something I do mention when we have a review. I'm going to mention that you either choose Excel or you choose the SPSS.
Yeah.
Don't do both.
I talked to the teacher about it,
Mm-hmm.
and she said it is an error that they have been trying to correct. They can't remove Excel from the book.
Oh.
The only one that can use Excel is the easiest stats class, not bio or social.
Okay. All
So
right.
I'm entering these numbers in here.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. We have to do this on what?
All right, and find my
I
notes on
hate
how to
doing this.
All right.
What the heck? It's not letting me in.
What's not letting you in?
The remote desk. Well, I'm gonna have to rely on you guys till I get that fixed. Dang it.
Okay. Is anybody,
No, sorry, I'm still working on it.
okay.
Okay, I've got my numbers in. Oops, where did my numbers go? Oh, there they are. Okay. All right, now what are we supposed to do? Using the null hypothesis of 98.6 and level of significance of 0.05.
Yeah, fine. We're just put those in, and we're just finding the X bar right now.
Okay, so we're going to analyze, and are we compare means then? Is that what we're doing?
Well, just answer one question at a time.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 is what is X bar?
Yeah. So I have 98.220 for that one.
Oh, yeah, that. Okay.
All right, so what's S?
Well, S would be 0.922. That's the sample standard deviation.
All right.
Is that what you guys are getting?
Yes.
Did you put that in the applet?
No, you
No.
put it into either Excel or the SPSS, and both of mine are down right now. I'm getting them repaired tonight. I'm going to my FHE brother's house, and he's fixing it for me.
Susan, we can't use the applet with this stuff. The applet doesn't work for this.
So what is S again?
0.922.
So then that means we have all the other information. So X is 98.220, and S is 0.922. Then T.
Oh my gosh, do it in your head. Don't say it out loud.
Sorry.
That's okay.
What would N be?
Oh my gosh, I put in the wrong. Well, N is 20 because you add up all these numbers and it's 20.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Where is my formula? There it is.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
Okay. Are we just working through all of these individually, or are you waiting
No,
for?
I'm waiting for everybody. I'm done with 8.
Okay.
No, I'm not working ahead.
Okay. So for my T-score, I got -1.843.
What I got.
Okay.
Now we go to the student T probability.
Yay, I did it right. Okay. So the p-value. Ooh, I have this. Okay, hang on.
And this is one-tailed, and it is to the left, correct? So we just shade it to the left to get the p-value.
Are you saying on the applet?
Right. So we agreed on number 8, right? Negative 1.843.
That's what I got. Yeah.
So then we go to the applet. And under the DF, what's that? Degree of freedom, we put 19 because the degree of freedom is n minus 1.
Yeah.
And then because the alternative hypothesis is less than 98.6, so then we just fill in, though it's one-tailed, and so we fill it into the left of, on the negative side.
Right.
So I got 0.0405.
Yeah, that's what I got. 843. That's what I got on the just doing it on my calculator. But on the probability applet, that's not what I'm getting. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But on my calculator, what I did was I'm on the SPSS, and I've got my one sample test, and I've got the DF as 19, and then it says the SIG two-tailed, and it's 0.081, and because it's just one-tailed, I divided that in half, and I got the 0.405.
Oh my gosh, where are you?
I did a t-test on SPSS.
Oh, okay.
But if we're both getting the same thing, we're just doing it in a different way.
Yeah. Now tell me, how did you get the p-test?
Okay.
How did you get the p-test in SPSS?
Did you watch the videos?
Yeah, and I did this, I got my first answers through Explore. Should I have gone through the other one?
I went, let me look again how I did that. Okay, I went to Analyze, Compare Means, One Sample t-test.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
And you're talking p-test, P as in...
T, as in Tom.
Okay,
T
so when you go through the t-test, you
Mm-hmm.
get the p-score, because when you go through Explore, you don't get the t-score. You don't get the p-score then.
And it doesn't say t-score, but in the video it said that, well, it said, no, I do get the t-score, yes, and it's a negative 1.843. Then I get the DF, but the p-value, the p as in Paul, p-value is it says SIG, so I'm not sure what the SIG stands for. And then it says two-tailed. And he said if your test is a two-tailed test, then that is your p-value. If your test is a one-tailed test, then you have to divide that in half.
Right. Okay. So that's where I couldn't find the p-value on the SPSS. So that makes sense. Thank you.
Okay.
I just go to the student t-probability applet.
Okay.
But I got 0.0405, so it's 0.041.
Oh, wait. I got 0.405. So you did get a different than me.
It can't be 0.4?
So maybe I'm doing it wrong then. I told you I'm struggling this week. I don't... Okay, wait a minute. You know what? What's our confidence interval? What is that?
95. Well, we're assuming
why.
it's 95 because it didn't say anything else.
Okay, let me run mine through again. Mine's on a 90. Mine's on a 99. So let me run it through again. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, that'll make a big difference.
And let's see. Would I plug in the 98.6 as the test value, or do I leave that as 0?
Where are you?
I'm on the SPSS in the one sample p-test. Let me see if I put this in as a 0, if that changes things.
I'm gonna come in there with you and do it through there, because I did it through Explore because it's.
Okay, now if I run it that way, it's 0.000. So let me go back and do it another way. Let me see. Sorry guys, I'm not very sure on this.
See, and that's where, so I saw that SIG two-tailed.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm in here with you at this. I'm on the same thing as you, but I could never find the p-value in SPSS.
Right, and that's what the p-value is. Okay,
Right.
now I got 0.081. So now I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, so this is what I did. So the p-value is your probability app, right? So I took negative 1.843 freedom as 19 because it's the sample size minus 1.
Okay.
I filled in the left tail of the t-score, which is negative 1.843, and the area or the probability or the p-value I got as 0.0405.
So in the normal probability applet?
No. In
Okay.
the student T probabilities. It's given to you in lesson 11, kind of right at the beginning.
Yeah. Okay, I remember
Did you
that.
see that? It's kind of orange, green, and white. It's Italian looking.
No, I don't. Okay, I don't know. No, I don't know that.
All right, hold on. Let me.
Sorry,
okay, so,
I don't.
No. That's okay. So go to your lesson.
Sorry, Lori, you just broke up. Go where?
Go to your lesson. The lesson 11.
Okay.
All right, I'm getting in there. Hold on a second.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting in there too, so you're just fine.
Okay, so right after you see that picture of William Seeley Gossett, and right above those 3 graphs, right away in the lesson under number 2, do you guys see those 3 T distribution graphs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll click here.
Yeah, it says click here to explore how the shape of the T distribution
open that?
changes. Okay, so do you have...
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, that's the student's T probabilities.
Okay.
So what do you put in there again?
Okay, so now look at your degrees of freedom.
Okay.
Now remember, degrees of freedom is your sample size n minus 1. So you put, our sample size is 20 for this, right?
Right.
So we put 19 in there. And then
19 or 20? Oh,
19.
I got you.
Because it's the degrees of freedom. And then you put in your t-score like you would put in your z-score, negative 1.843, and fill in the tail to the left, because the alternate hypothesis is less than.
Okay, how did I miss that?
Yeah, it just looked like a picture last night when I opened it. So is T negative 1?
Negative 1.843.
The area 0.1649?
No, I got 0.0405.
No, the area that you put in at the top.
You don't put an area in.
Oh, excuse me.
That's what you're finding. The p-value is the probability.
So we put.
So
1.843 in? Negative?
Yeah, 1.843 on the bottom. And then fill in the tail to the left.
0405. I got it.
Yes, good job.
Okay, no, wait. I did not get it. So hold on.
Okay.
So what's the degree of freedom on this? I can't remember.
19.
Okay. It's 19.
How is it 19?
Okay, our sample size is 20.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
And the degree of freedom is sample size minus 1.
1. That's right. Okay. That's right. Okay. Yes, now I got 0.0405. Yes.
Yes. Okay, that is good.
Yeah.
So it's
Thank you for walking me through that.
No problem. So it's 0.041 when we round that to 3 decimals.
Right.
So now, what is the correct decision based on the evidence? Well, we reject the null hypothesis because if P is low, reject the null.
Yes. And that 0.04 is smaller than 0.05. That's what I have to keep going over in my head.
Yeah, now listen, yes. This is what I do for that, Stephanie, because I don't know why that's hard for me too. But I turn it into a percentage. And I go, okay, so 0.0.
Okay, I'll try that.
So does everybody agree we reject the null hypothesis?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yep. Oh, thank you, Lori, for walking me through that. I somehow missed that in my reading today. I have no idea how I missed that.
Hey, no problem.
Thank you,
You guys have all walked me through things too, so I'm totally cool with that.
Whoop, hang on, I forgot just about that.
So it's, let me make sure I've got these right before we leave them.
Okay.
98.220 for number 6.
Yes.
7 is 0.922.
Yes.
8 is 0.843.
No. 8 is negative 1.843.
Negative 1.843.
Right.
The value is 0.041.
Correct. And then 10 is reject the null hypothesis.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to put in this other data.
Oops. Yep.
I want you to know, guys, I had to fire my tutors because this is more than they know.
I can't believe that.
That did not make me feel good at all.
I wonder if they do different statistics rather than the social.
They do basic statistics.
They weren't nearly as this hard.
What wasn't?
Other statistics classes.
Oh, really?
Like with business and stuff. They made sense.
Okay. Well, that's a bummer.
Yeah.
Because I hate this class.
I do too.
Okay.
So we have 21.
I'm just barely getting my information in.
Yeah, me too.
And let's see, this is at is this a 95%? It doesn't say, does it?
No, but it does say the level of significance, which is 0.01, and we do have that one chart, which would be a 99%. Is that what we would do?
I think so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are those related?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's your level of confidence for A.
Now, level of significance and level of confidence are two different things.
Right.
And the 90, 95, 97 is a confidence level, and the 0.01 is a level of significance. And those are two separate values, I believe. I don't
Well,
think
when-
they're related.
Let's see.
That's not what I had written on my chart.
Yeah, because I have a chart.
All right, where'd you get a chart?
It was in the,
It was in one of the videos or one of our readings from the last chapter, in chapter 10.
I must have
And
gone
it,
to the video 6 times.
I don't know, can you see that? Probably not, but
Yeah, like mine.
Okay, let me, wait a minute, because I'm not looking at you guys. Okay, show it to me again. Oh my gosh, it's so little.
sorry.
Okay, there we go, there we go. Oh my gosh, okay.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how fast he talks in those videos.
I know. I have to pause him.
Oh, I do too. Over and over and over again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a 20-minute video takes me a lot longer than 20 minutes.
Yeah, 3 hours I sat last night and did this, and I still don't understand it.
I know.
Okay, so you're right then. I missed that. Thank you.
No, it's not a contest.
Yeah.
No, oh, I know. I'm just saying. I totally missed that. So thank you, because I would have just assumed it was 95%.
So then that's how we can use the 99% for the calculations, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's what I think so. Okay. So what is it that we're asking here? P-value. Okay, so then we have to go put our, and I got 0.006. Is that what you guys got?
Oh, sorry, I'm slow.
You're fine. I'm slow too. So.
Okay, so 40 is your mu, and 40 point, oh my gosh. So 40.0476 is your X bar? Is that what you got for that?
I just plugged it into the SPSS. I didn't do it by hand. Sorry.
Oh, because I went through Explore again instead of compare the means.
Okay.
Hold on. Sorry.
Wait, so are we solving for the p-value or for the u? Or x-bar?
Well, we've got to find our t-value first.
Oh, that's right. I knew that.
Okay, so I went through the T. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where.
Okay.
Where the T.
Where are you? Okay, so did you go to analyze?
Yes.
Compare means?
Yes.
And then you do a one sample t-test?
Yes.
Okay, go to options and click on the 99%.
I did that.
Okay, and then I put test value 40. Why did I put 40?
Is that for the time in between the births?
Yeah, that's what I did. It's the time in between the births. And then I clicked OK. Is that right?
Okay. I'm going to start it again. Analyze, compare means, one sample t-test.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm going to reset my variables. I throw my variables in again. I go to my options. I hit 99.
Mm-hmm.
And then I hit continue. Right?
Well, I put in the 40 because that's our sample mean or whatever it is.
Where are you putting in 40?
Okay, let me walk there again. It's analyze, compare means, one sample t-test, options, and then test value is 40.
Okay, I am not getting, I have a confidence interval percentage, and then I have...
Do you have your test variables in, did you put your test variables over into the right box?
Yeah.
Okay, and then next to the
test value. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. That's right. Okay. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
I know.
There's so many layers to everything.
I know. This
Okay,
next
so then-
test is going to be killer.
So then the t-value is 0.006?
Yeah, that's what I got.
That's the
You know,
T-
I
that's
hope
the
I'm not leading you
T-score.
guys wrong.
No, you're right.
All right,
Okay, so now this is a two-tailed thing, right?
That's what I'm looking. Yes, because hold on, let me get back to make sure.
Yeah, I got to check that again.
Yes, it's
Because we're
two
going
tails.
not equal to.
Yes.
And then we put in, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 0.9953 is what I got.
That's what I got too. Oh, right. Wait, is it with 19 degrees of freedom though? Is that right?
No, it's 20 because we have 21 as our sample size.
Okay, so change that. Oh, that doesn't change anything though. Oh, wait. Does it? No?
Should.
What did we say our t-score was? 0.006?
Yes.
Yeah,
20 degrees of freedom and 0.006, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so I still got 0.9953. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah, which doesn't, well, I guess when you're doing it 99, oh, that just doesn't make sense to me.
I know.
But
Well, I'm going to go back into that and plug in with nothing in that. I'm not going to put 40. I'm just going to put 0 and see if that changes it and see if that makes better sense. So hold on.
well, no, but you were right to do that.
Yeah.
It is right. That is right.
That's like your standard deviation is that 40 minutes in between bursts, and they're trying to understand if that's the right amount to.
Well, no, it's not the standard deviation.
Well, I'm
It's
just
the
like-
it's the
I'm
mean.
comparing it to that.
Oh, okay, okay. So
Okay.
So they're planning their resources based on that claim of 40 minutes. So that's like their standard deviation.
right.
Okay, your first alternative hypothesis is, and you use a level of significance of 0.01. What is the p?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
I hope that this is how we're supposed to do it.
I'm doing another check here too. Hold on just a second.
Okay. Because that seems awfully high, doesn't it?
Well, but we're doing a 99% thing, so
I know.
does that make sense? I don't know.
I don't know either.
Hold on, I'm just
asked
doing it.
They,
They what, Susan?
they asked for the level of significance of 0.01, so that's the opposite of that you would use in the testing. The 90.
Right.
You're doing it.
Because I'm not confident for sure that this is the right way to do it.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
gonna do one more test. So hold on just a
Yeah,
second. I
you're
just have
just
to
fine.
do the calculations here.
Are you doing it by hand?
I am.
Okay, so walk me through it because this is where I get confused.
Okay, so all you're going to do is find the t-score. So then you go
okay,
back to the x bar,
Okay,
which is
so it's just the
40.
t. Okay.
So this could make sense because the x bar is 40.0476 minus 40.
Oh, yep, that
You know,
does make
so
sense.
it could be right. I mean, you know, not that
Yeah.
I'm doubting you. It's just
Oh, no, Lori, you're fine.
I have to figure this out. I have to understand it in my brain.
Me too.
Okay, and I got 0.005999. So it is 0.006.
Okay.
Yeah. So that has to be right.
Yeah.
But the thing is, what do we have to round that to? So then guess what it makes it is 100%.
Wait. Well, we round 3 decimal places, so it would be 0.995.
Oh, yeah, we do. We round 3. Okay. Okay. 0.995, right?
Yep, that's, yes.
Okay.
So we're saying this
So-
0.995?
Yeah.
0.995, yeah.
So what decision do you make? So this is high, so we reject, no, we fail
we
to reject
fail.
the null hypothesis,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Are we leaving 11 is 0.006 or changing it to the 0.995 for 11?
Oh, yeah, that's just the t-score was 0.006.
Okay.
The p-value is 0.995.
Yeah.
Okay, so 13, you decide to try another, oh, great. This time,
Because we love doing this so much.
use.
So
Okay, so now it becomes a one-tailed test,
Yes. Yes, it does.
and yeah, it changes big time. Right?
All right. Okay, and is it going to be a right tail? We don't know yet, I guess.
Well, it's going to be left tail because your new alternative hypothesis is less than.
yeah.
The
Okay,
mu is
less
less than
than.
40, so it's left tailed.
Okay.
And so the p-value decreased, correct?
Decreases?
Yeah, because it went from 0.995 to 0.4976.
So we're...
Wait a minute. Okay, so how did you get the new t-score? You just...
I didn't get it. I didn't get a new t-score. I used the same t-score, 0.006. I used the same degree of freedom, which is 20.
Okay.
But because,
Okay, you just plugged
because
it
it
in.
went
Yeah, the only thing you have to change
is what you filled in, because it went to
Okay,
a one-tailed test.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, so I got
Is that right?
0.4976.
Yeah.
I think so.
Is that
Because
right?
it would still be the same t-score no matter what, right?
yes.
Yes.
Okay.
But now,
Okay.
what decision do we make? We reject the null hypothesis. No. Because we're working at 0.01, right?
Yeah, it was a 99.
So with 12, we decided to reject it, right?
No, 12 we failed to reject it.
Okay.
So 0.498 is greater than 0.01, so we reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me think. Let me
Yeah,
say that again in my head. Okay. 0.498.
No. We fail to reject. Sorry, we fail to reject it.
Okay, yeah. So 0.498 versus what are we doing? 01?
Is
Yeah, because
greater.
0.498 is still bigger than 0.01.
Right.
So
I
we are
always have
failing.
to say, if P is low, reject the null.
That's what I always have to say too.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
greater than
13, the numbers, they did decrease, right? Because you had from 99 to 49, it decreases,
Yes.
right? I'm understanding that,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
I hope so. And then we compare the width of the confidence intervals for question 11 to the confidence interval to question 13. Which one is wider?
It'd be the 0.498, wouldn't it?
The confidence interval, which we didn't do by hand for any of these.
No, we didn't.
Oh, but we can just check up here. No.
Oh,
So
Yeah, the confidence interval is the point estimate plus or minus the margin of error.
right. Or you can just look in your SPSS, and for a 99% confidence level, it's 17.4741 and then 62.6211, right? Is that what you guys have?
Let me see here. Sorry, I closed out of that. Sorry. Let me. Okay, our numbers. And I'm going to compare means, one sample t-test, 99%, 40 is my test value, right? Run
Yeah.
that. My t is 0.006. On my 99%, I got negative 22.5259.
Oh my gosh.
That's not what you got, right?
Yeah, hold on. I'm going back into the one sample test because I was in,
Okay.
and the test value. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So for the confidence interval, I have 17.4741 and 62.6211.
Okay, hold on.
It's the lower bound and the upper bound.
Yeah, for mine it's negative 22 point. What did I do wrong?
Did you change it to 99?
Yeah. All right, let me try that again.
Yeah, did someone else do it too?
Okay, let's walk through this.
All right, I'm going to get rid of mine.
Okay.
Okay, so
I've got my numbers, 59, 40.
Yeah, we got
all the way down to 61.
Yep.
Right? 21 numbers.
Right. So compare the means.
Yeah. One sample
t-test. I'm going to reset my variables just to make sure.
Yeah.
Put in 40.
Yeah.
Options
and
99.
99%. Yeah. Okay.
Continue and OK.
Yeah, I still am getting that. What am I doing wrong?
Okay, you know what? I see where you're looking. Now look where I am looking. Okay, so I did the explore thing because, oh wow. This is a 99% confidence interval of the difference. What does that mean, of the difference?
Okay, I don't know. So in the explore, it's not that. So let me try explore.
So try the explore one.
Okay, where's explore?
So you go analyze.
Okay.
Descriptive statistics.
Okay, there. Okay.
And then explore. Do you remember that they taught us that one too?
Yeah. Yeah, I just can't keep track of all of them to.
Yeah, and I guess I used that one.
Okay, and okay, yeah, and I go to the dependent list and I go to statistics. Is that right?
Yeah.
And I'm changing it to 99%.
Correct.
And that's all we need to worry about right there, right? Okay, and then I hit OK.
And then see where it says 99% confidence interval for the mean? 17.4741.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yep.
So what's the difference?
I don't know. When Brian comes home, I'll ask him. He may not know, though, because he didn't do these kind of statistics. You know, I don't know.
Okay, so compare the widths of the confidence intervals. Which one is wider? So they're both wider increase.
Aren't they both 99%?
Yeah. So it had to have stayed the same, right?
I would think so.
I mean,
because we didn't change the percent.
Changed, but the confidence interval wouldn't have changed.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Oh my gosh.
Because I've been trying to read back through this, and nowhere does it say that we changed to like the 95% or anything like that. It's the
Right.
same percentage.
Okay.
Well, maybe that's the answer.
Yeah.
If it's not any of the other two, it has to be the same.
So can you guys tell me where you got that chart? How did I miss the chart?
Well, it was in lesson 10.
Yeah.
And let me go back in the manual. Okay, hold on one second.
Well, or we can do that later. But I
Okay.
mean, I'm so glad you guys found that, because I would be doing all of this on a 95 because it didn't say, so you assume it's 95.
Oh, right. Well, hopefully
You know
we're not
what I'm
leading you
saying?
astray. Yeah.
So we're going to say they're the same?
Yeah.
I'm saying they're the same because I don't know what else. How?
12 is we failed to reject it, 13 is decrease, 14 is reject, and 15 is the same.
No, 14 should be fail to reject as well.
Yeah, that's what
Okay. All right.
I sure don't feel confident. Sorry.
I don't either. I don't either. I don't on any of this. I don't.
No, me either. I'm
All right.
definitely going to be having to spend a lot of time this weekend studying this.
do.
Okay, so I don't know. You just want to hit it?
Yeah,
No,
let's just get it.
So doesn't seem right to me.
I know. Sorry.
Very nice, ladies.
Oh my gosh.
You
Okay.
guys are incredible.
So good
Mine's
thing we
still
have
submitting,
4
sorry.
brains.
You need
I
to have
know.
more faith in yourself.
Okay, but I'm having problems. Mine's still submitting. Please don't let me get a 0.
It won't. But we got number 11 wrong.
Oh, okay.
You did?
006.
How? I got 100.
I got 100.
Yeah.
Susan, I thought you changed that. That was the T-score, remember? And you changed it to .995.
Oh, I must not have.
Did you get it,
Oh,
Stephanie?
shoot. It's still submitting. I don't know what's going on.
Well, yay!
Yeah.
Oh,
If mine
Susan,
submits, that's great.
bummer.
Oh, I'm happy with that. That's fine.
Oh my gosh, we should have walked through all the numbers again like we always do, and we didn't this time.
Yeah. Shoot.
Yay! We did it!
Okay, well, mine is still submitting, so while it's still submitting, I'm going to go back in to the lesson 10 and try and find that for you.
Yeah, would you mind? I mean, I know you guys are right. I can't believe I missed that.
Well, it's nice to have it written down where you know it.
Yeah.
Well, see, and I have that chart. I have the confidence level, the 90, 95, 99. I have the Z-score of them, but I don't have the alpha. I never wrote that down.
Oh, no, I can't. It's not even loading here. My computer, something's going on. Shoot.
Well, I am grateful that you guys caught that somewhere,
Yeah.
and I learned something new.
It's on the
And
video.
so-
It's not in the reading.
Is it on the
it's
video?
on the video for 10?
Uh-huh. I knew it was either on the video or on the reading, but somewhere I wrote it down, you know.
Right on the front page of the
Yes, I
review.
saw that. I saw it right on the very front page.
Yep.
Okay. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you very much, ladies. I couldn't do this without you.
You're welcome. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a great
Bye.
weekend. Bye-bye.